Hello, what's up YouTube? My name is Director Kim. Thanks very much for coming to my tutorial. Today we're not gonna have the shortcuts video. We're gonna have a little bit of a session which is going to explain a lot, but I'm not gonna waste your time. So today we're gonna discuss about those high compressed look and summer look, which is most of our Hollywood videos they like to do. That footage you see on the screen is not like a movie or whatever. It's a music videos, but found out it's good. Let's try make a different kind of look that I never done before, and at least let's try to do right in here. So this is your boy Director Kim. Just want you to be happy and to get everything in touch. You can do just whatever you want next time on a video, but maybe you can get something from me. If you never subscribe to the YouTube channel, please just do it right now because I have a lot to tell you. So after seeing our footage, what I like to do is to edit this video. I'm not going to do cast with transformation because we already have a nice compressed the footage, because that footage is logs, yes, log 3. So I think there's no need for compressed or go the car space, make a rec 79 and then recompress it again, because the footage is already compressed. So I'm going to tweak and twist a little bit some of the stuff that I see my brains sit on a proper positions. So as I can see, what I can do is just increase before I increase my saturation, mess around with the curves and boost a little bit of a highlight, because I see the highlight is down, and give it a little bit of a shadows and try to make a nice curve, inverted curve is proper. And then I see my mid-tone is not in the right position, so I could boost it a bit right, just like that. It's looking perfect. And then we have a less of a saturation, so I'm going to increase a bit of a saturation, just like that. And then I would like, damn, it's perfect. I would leave it like that. What else is just I'm gonna add my node, which is I'm gonna apply my look, my favorite look from my luts. If you don't have a luts, please go check out my recent videos. You can see my luts right there. As I click luts, it's looking nice and amazing. And then I'm gonna play with another custom curves, which is making everything's balanced properly. I think that is not all right. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you now see the summer look that the female cinema look that's most of Hollywood film they like to do sometimes. But this kind of look, especially on that there's some there's that movie that they like to do this style. I forgot the name, but I hope you got it. Anyway, this is your boy Director Kim. I hope you enjoy. I hope you got something. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, share comments, and do whatever that you see. Click the bell button right there. Do not forget to subscribe as well. Share with other people. I miss make a live tutorial, but we got a lot of time. That's why we make it a short videos. But I just want to feed all love. So yeah, man. Catch you in the next video.